I just thought I'd do a quick video. A lot of you know I do videos on where I scam the scammer, where someone calls up, claiming to be calling from Microsoft or BT or TalkTalk or whichever. I've just been to see a lovely chap, one of my IT clients, absolutely lovely man. I only serviced his computer in May. And it's been absolutely perfect, no problem at all. And then he gets a phone call from Microsoft, okay? And I know that everybody knows these days it's a scam, don't fall for it and everything like that. But I tend to find that people in the older generation are still quite vulnerable to this. And this guy has been absolutely had royally. And I just want to share the message, and please share this video, okay? Just to let everybody in your family know, if you get a call from Microsoft, BT, O2, any provider, and they say you've got a problem with your computer, they certainly don't sound like they're in the UK. I think everybody knows that. So that is a surefire giveaway, no disrespect meant whatsoever. They have connected into this guy's computer, and they said to him they were charging him £4.99. They charged him £880. Now he realised what they were doing and told them to stop, and they continued. He has now thankfully got all the money back from his bank, which is fantastic news. But what these guys do is they have a guy on the phone who's talking you through the process, and they also have a technician who is completely somebody else who's connected to the computer. And once they've got control of your computer, if you don't pay them, they will delete all of your documents, all of your pictures, all of your data, all of your life. Okay, and I cannot stress to you how serious this is. They don't realize what they're deleting. These may be photos of young children when they were babies, they're kids. They could be people who've passed and they've got no other photos of them. They've not done any backups or anything like that. So please just share this message and let everybody know. Just don't fall for it. Nobody calls you to tell you that your computer has a problem. And yes, they may tell you to go into the event viewer and tell you to look at the errors. Every computer has errors. If you unplug a USB stick without ejecting it, which nobody does, then you're going to get an error in your error log. Just ignore them. There's nothing wrong. Everything's fine. Okay, I say to my own customers, without any arrogance intended, don't speak to anybody about your computer but me. Because if anyone phones you up, just put the phone down to them, phone me, and I'll tell you it's a scam. Or no, it's not a scam. But believe me, it's a scam. So it's just really wound me up this morning. I've now got this guy's computer in my car. I'm going to try and recover all of his data. I'm going to try and get his machine back up and running where it was. He feels absolutely stupid. He feels completely vulnerable. He's never going to fall for it again. But I just want you to please share this message. Don't fall for it. It's as simple as that. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all very soon. Thank you very much for listening. This is Will Howell, CTA Systems, ctasystems.com. Give us a like down below. Please subscribe. And of course, like I say, please share this message. Have a great day. See you soon.